Good morning, boys and girls. This time it's the very first that we've ever done at West Riding. It's an indoor walk around of this newly built 1965 almond green truck, literally fresh off of the West Riding production line. So I'll run through it. I mean, we're in the showroom today, as you can see. Let's have a little bit of a spin round in the showroom. So it's because I'm going to be crawling around on the floor. Jess is here, the dog. So it's because I'm going to be crawling around on the floor so you can see the quality of the build on it, because it's all new. So new wings, obviously. The cab's been off, been split, been blasted, fully repaired. Everything new, flitches, tie plates, the full shebang. Full new paint job, full new everything in fact, because it's a completely new car, for want of a better description, on a new chassis, brand spanking new UK made chassis. It's got a brand new body on it, rear body. Yep, so new rear body, completely new. It was a prototype, so I can have a look in there. All absolutely brand spanking new. Cab back repaired up. So new spare, powder coated, new. I don't know, I don't think I can reiterate or get across enough that it is actually brand spanking new. So it's got a reconditioned 1098 engine in it. It has got a reconditioned gearbox, all new lights. All the tailgate's been repaired. Basically, everything on her is brand new. We'll have a look on the inside. So again, on the inside, still got the wrapping on the sills and everything. Just move that screw. Yep, so brand new seats, fully reconditioned, obviously, new straps, foams, everything, new covers, new door cards, new liners, brand spanking new headlining, new sun visors, new carpet, pulls. We'll get her started up for you. The mileage is it's done 12 miles since it was finished, so I'll give it a bit of choke. Pull the catch and have a look under the bonnet. It's got a new Ivor Searle engine in it, which we regard as being the best you can get. So as you can see, everywhere it's show standard. New wiring loom, reconditioned engine, new battery, new fuel pump, new radiator. So basically, if you'd have gone to the Morris dealership and bought one of these trucks brand new, this would be what you'd be getting now. And I'll get down and get underneath so you can have a look underneath. So all that's new under there. New exhaust, body coloured under the cab, powder coated components everywhere. Have a look under the back. So all new, powder coated axles, new springs, new hangers. Basically a brand fire new truck. So as always, just turn it off so you can hear me. As always, the best way to appreciate this one is to come and have a look at it, get underneath it, drive it, because it is brand fire new. Everything on it is new. So either give West Riding a call on 01422881221. 2 names to come and look at it. Visit www.westridingclassics.co.uk for further details, or fire an email through to us at inquiries@westridingclassics.co.uk and come up and have a look. And the first to see it will buy it. You know, it's a show quality build, and they don't come along very often, to be honest with you. So thanks for your time.
Thank you.